We just found another seagull. Yeah, the other seagull was just doing the incoming call. I guess that's a female. Or his best friend.
How do you know it's a female?
Because there's two. What do you mean? It's not mating season though.
Dad, get out of our way, please.
I'm just watching.
But that is not mating season.
Get your
They're
other
supposed to fly
pigeon.
south. No, I'm joking. Those are seagulls that stay on the beach, I guess. Oh.
That's what kind of yellow jacket I wanted, Dad.
Oh. Sorry I couldn't find one.
So I could look more like the kid.
Dad, that's so creepy. It's like an incoming call of a... Seagulls when they learn algebra. Dad, look, it's the A+ seagull.
They're just trying to stay warm, I think, up here.
Please stop.
Please stop, okay?
Big boy be like.
Kitty. Incoming to Seagull.
Please stop. I can't imagine. Maybe 1,000 more seagulls are gonna fly up here. I remember the last one flew down. Oh look, it's mating season. Oh, never mind.
They're a little grumpy, I guess. That one looked grumpy.
I want to see one. Hello, guys.
They just fart.
Hello, guys.
Did they just fart his face?
No, they're just trying to stay warm together.
Oh, like just like penguins do.
Yeah.
But they would just look like penguins.
The Antarctica is even worse though. It takes like hundreds of penguins to stay warm.
Some big pigeons, though.
Those aren't pigeons, they're seagulls, Dad.
I mean seagulls, sorry. Seagulls.
Come on, Seagull. Come
I
on.
think you're thinking about a dove.
Possibly.
It looks like it. Dad, his butt's actually
Hello,
talking.
every guys.
Please stop his name. Dad, I think his butt's actually talking.
Is it?
Yeah, his butt was...
Butt talking, took your butt soon. Oh no, his butt is...
I guess his butt is sad.
No, why is his butt sad?
It's incoming call from King Ghidorah.
Everything come out okay?
It's the incoming call from King Ghidorah. I guess that's Kevin over there.
You're Heaven Seagull.
I forgot the other two ones. No, it's not Godzilla.
Heaven Seagull.
Please stop.
Oh no, it's walking away.
I guess it's not mating season.
Yeah.
They broke.
Yeah.
That mating season is broken apart.
Is it?
Welcome to my live stream. Hey, buddy.
The last blood.
Yeah, that's 3 minutes, I know.
I'm trying to make him do the incoming call.